guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to view YouTube watch history. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to see YouTube watch history, then I will show you how to see this. First of all, you need to open YouTube and you have to sign in your ID. Here you can see three horizontal lines in left section. Just click on that. And below you can see here history. Just click on this history. Here you can see all your YouTube watch histories. Whatever videos you have watched, it will be visible here. If you want to see particular video, if you know the video name, you can just search here. You will find that video. That's it guys. So in this way you can see YouTube watch history. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.